Hello there. I've been watching other creators when their faces aren't showing and they go hello there with their hands, so I'll do that today. It's actually late this afternoon. I've just about lost my day, but it's a beautiful time of the evening to be in my art room. So I'm now doing the third in my series of pouring into the lid of a spray paint can and just using the pieces that have been divided in here. I actually measured them a few days ago when I started, and each one of these segments takes approximately 20 mils of paint, just to the tops of where the segments are. One of these days I'll probably try filling it up a bit further, but for this painting, for this video, I am using black as my middle colour and base, and my other two colours are going to be Deco Art Metallics in Ice Blue. Sorry, I just had to pop off to get that to see which colour it was. So that was the Deco Art Metallics in Ice Blue, and that is Montmartre Turquoise. They are mixed with my usual PVA glue and water medium on a 1:1 ratio. So I will fill my cup up, then I'll put my black paint down, and then I will move it round, tilt it until I get the sort of picture that I want. I'll get started now. I have to say wow again. I'm so impressed with the way this little cup here does my pouring for me, the way the colours come out, the way it's set up like that. I just absolutely love it, and it's just doing such a good job of putting the paints down where I want them, so long as I'm able to tilt them in the direction that I want them to go. And this has come out just beautiful. I love it. And as you noticed, I added some white to it at the end. I didn't have quite topped up as far as what I wanted it to go, so I added some white just to give it that little bit of difference in colour. And of course it's come out sort of just slightly in there, enough to give it a bit of a difference, a bit more of a different look. And oh look, I'm just so pleased. So the next one I do, I'm going to try something different again. I'm not sure what yet, because I feel as though the pours that I'm doing at the moment, the colour range is limitless. So I'm going to put my gloves on now and bring this picture up for you to see in the light. The sun has started coming through the window. It hasn't quite set yet, so I'll bring it up and show you what it looks like. Right, I will bring it up and show you more in the light. There's still a little bit of sunlight there, and the colours are just gorgeous. I love them together. It's the black, it's just a really, really good contrast to the rest of the colours, and they look really pretty. And I've got some lacing happening, which is really good. That's probably from the Deco Art metallics in the ice blue, the first time that I have used that colour, although I have used the metallics several times before. So that is my picture for this video, and as I said, I'm going to continue trying to do these small pictures with that cup to see what else I can make. So once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.